What are you doing? I'm doing the weed. Oh, can I try some? I guess so. Here you go. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Ah, ah, ah. Oh, get that thing there! Ah! Hi, what are you doing? I'm doing the cocaine. Can I try some? I don't see why not. What is that? It's my toy. I take it from you. Me hit your neck. Okay, okay. Here. Floor Pixio!
Are you vaping?
No, no.
Your vape's right there. Your vape's right there.
Go long. Go get it. Well, that's why you don't go in the road. Ah! Hi. What are you doing? I'm doing acid. Can I try some? Sure. What you doing? I'm doing mushrooms. Nice. Cool. Drugs. Hi. What have you been doing today? I built a fort. That's cool. Let's go inside. Cool fort. Yeah. Boom! Why did the door shut? Why do you have a knife? It's just a prank, bro. It's just a prank, bro. What the heck? What you doing? I'm building spacecrafts. Cool. Can I come? Sure. Boom! What's that? Judging by the looks of it, I'd say an interplanetary spacecraft. Hello. Hello, can I have a ride? Why, sure. That planet right there. Boom! Why are we here? For the light show. What do you mean? You'll see. It's getting kind of warm. Hey bro, I have an idea. What's that? Let's go to Pluto. Are we gonna do that? With this stick and this piece of gum, I can make a rocket ship. No way. Okay, let's go. Boom! This is cool. I know, right? Hi, I'm Jerry. Hi, Jerry. We would like to buy some plutonium. You have come to the right place. See you later. Go to Charon. Boom! Bro, I have an idea. What's that? Let's go to Uranus. How will we do that? We can use this fishbowl to breathe and this burrito as fuel. Good idea.
What's up?
We would like to buy some uranium. Let's go. Stop at Miranda. Boom!
So where's the uranium?
What are you talking about?
Do I look stupid? That's the only reason anybody goes to Uranus.
Okay, you caught me. Here.
Oh yeah.
Why are you sad? My sandwich has no cheese. We can go to the moon and get some. What? The cow that jumped over the moon. Boom! Nom nom nom. Boom! 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 Luke, I am your father. It can't be! And I will take your arm away. Boom! 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 What's wrong, man? I feel like a duck or possibly goose is watching me. That's absurd. Did you hear that? Nah, bro, you're tripping.
Ah!
You said I was tripping. What were the odds a duck was actually watching you? Shut up. Ugh, I hate ducks. Hi, class. Today we will be talking about why Mars sucks. Now pay attention. So the first thing is the toxic perchlorate salts in the soil, which make plants impossible, and the dust, which gets in the wheels of the rovers we make. Not to mention the toxic atmosphere, which is impossible to breathe. There's also the process of spacecraft heating up. It's called aerobic compression, and it's when the air molecules don't have time to get out of the way, and so are converted into a superheated plasma. Alright, time to go to Mars. Boom! Boom! Alright, class, we're on Mars and it's negative 81 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, just to prove a point, I've genetically engineered a seed capable of growing on Mars.
Hey teacher, isn't it bad to contaminate a planet like that?
Whoops. Better time than any to call down Phobos. Uh-oh. Hey bro, I have an idea. Let's go to the sun. Okay. So what now? We just kinda burn. Look, there's a house on the sun. Let's go up to it. Alright. Boom! Yo!
Meanwhile, on Mercury.
Man, I gotta get back to the sun. I need a ride to the sun. Got any uranium? Yeah. Boom. All the food is mine. I have the bean. Let's go to Haumea. Is that the bean-shaped planet? Yes. Boom. I need a jelly bean. Okay. Boom. Man, I need to get home. That's kinda cute. Uh-oh. Boom. You know why I'm here. You will never defeat me. Are you sure about that? Boom. Why did you crash my ship? I need a ride to Earth. Uranium. Yeah. Bro, I'll give you a ride anywhere. What if Saturn hit us? Let's go to Neptune and mine some diamonds. Okay. Boom. The diamond should be just down there. What's wrong, dude? I'm scared of that spider right there. He's so small, he can't hurt you. I guess you're right. That was kind of funny.
Shut up, foolish human, for soon you will be in my web.
Hey, you're probably wondering, how did the world come into existence? Even if you're not, I'm going to tell you regardless. At first, there was nothing. Then there was something. I think it's a universe. It's made of quarks. They come in groups of three called a proton or a neutron, and after it cools off, the electrons join in. And now there's a bunch of gas, but it gets closer together and makes a star. Stars die. Bigger stars accumulate heavier elements, which makes planets around new stars. Here's Earth. A Mars-sized planet hit it, which kind of made a mess, and now there's Moon. The floor is no longer lava and rain consists of meteors. But they actually had water in them, so now there's hot steam everywhere, which formed rain. So now there's water everywhere. I hear an existential crisis. It's life, and it lives at the bottom of the ocean and eats chemical soup coming from vents. And it can do that too. And they learned how to convert sunlight into energy. So now there's oxygen everywhere and the sky's blue. Now there's weird sacs and sponges, which paved the way for even bigger animals to eat them. There's even worms and water bugs. So now there's plants on land, and fungus. So some bugs and fish came to eat them. A few years later, they learned how to use hard eggshells, so now they can lay eggs on land. Now everything's huge, but then the Permian extinction happened, and then animals suffocated to death. But this little floopy survived and became the dinosaurs. With the non-avian dinosaurs gone, it was time for mammals to take over, like this monkey that lives in the tree and eats leaves. But then Africa became a savanna, and he had to venture down and kill mammoths, and make fire, and make houses, and pollution, and kill people, and send rockets to Mars. That's history of Earth in a nutshell. Hope you enjoyed. The moon, pretty, isn't it? Have you ever wondered how it got there? Well, good news for you, 'cause I'm about to tell you that. The moon formed when a Mars-sized planet called Theia collided with Earth and formed a big ring of dust and debris which eventually coalesced into the moon. At first the surface was molten rock and it constantly rained meteors, but then it eventually cooled off. There was the occasional meteor impact or lunar volcano, but conditions there stayed the same for quite a while. Then on July 20th, 1969, humans began landing on the moon. This set the stage for future missions to the moon, like the Chinese U-2 rover, which landed on the far side of the moon in order to look for water ice and metals. In the future, more people will visit the moon and build bases, farms, and satellites, and eventually colonize it. I hope you enjoyed the history of the moon in a nutshell. Hello, and today we will talk about the history of Mars. 4,500,000,000 years ago, Mars formed from a large cloud of dust and debris. The surface was composed of molten lava, but then eventually it cooled down. 4,300,000,000 years ago, it begins to rain. Now Mars is a water world, and at the same time a giant impact happened which made Mars form rings for a while. 4.2 billion years ago, Mars's magnetic field formed and then declined, leaving the planet oceanless and with a thin atmosphere. 2.7 billion years ago, the disturbance of a parent object created two moons, Phobos and Deimos. 1 billion years ago, a great oxidation event happened which stained Mars's soil red with rust. Now the only water that exists is underground or trapped in ice in the polar ice cap. November 7th, 1971, Mars 2 crashed onto the surface of Mars after an onboard computer malfunction. December 2nd, 1971, Mars 3 soft landed, but its transmission was interrupted after 14.5 seconds. June 1976, the Viking lander landed on the surface of Mars. June 4th, 1997, the 2001 Mars Odyssey landed on the surface of Mars and became the first Mars rover. 2004, the Spirit and Opportunity rovers landed on the surface of Mars and began studying it. March 2nd, 2010, the Spirit rover became lodged in a sand trap and no longer works. June 12th, 2018, a large dust storm covered the solar panels on Opportunity and made its batteries die. February 18th, 2021, the Perseverance rover landed on the surface of Mars. April 19th, 2021, the Ingenuity helicopter performed the first powered flight on Mars. After this, humanity will likely colonize Mars. But in 50 million years, its largest moon, Phobos, will either be torn apart into rings or collide with Mars, killing every human on the surface. But it's possible we could do something to stop it. Mars's other moon, Deimos, will slowly drift away into space until it no longer orbits Mars. Who knows what we could do with Mars in the meantime, though. I hope you enjoyed History of Mars in a Nutshell. Hey guys, and today we will be learning about the history of Venus. 4,500,000,000 years ago, Venus formed from a cloud of collapsing planetesimals. The surface is entirely covered in molten lava. 4 billion years ago, a large impact occurred on Venus which formed a moon, similar to how Earth's moon formed. 10 million years later, another large impact occurred on Venus which reversed its direction of rotation. After that, Venus's moon remerged with it. 3 billion years ago, Venus has shallow oceans of liquid water on its surface. 2,500,000,000 years ago, all the oceans evaporated and a lot of CO2 was released into Venus's atmosphere, turning it into the hottest planet in the solar system. March 1st, 1966, Venera 3 crashed into the Venusian surface. After that, the Soviets sent 10 more landers that landed on the surface of Venus. I hope you enjoyed History of Venus in a Nutshell.
What is wrong, man? I don't feel so good.
Hey, it's me, Trevor. I've made quite a few cartoons so far, and as many of you may know, I'm at 97 subs, and I'd like to let you know that when I reach 100 subscribers, I'm going to release a special cartoon that takes place on many different planets, and they're gonna fight a huge, awesome monster, so stay tuned. And since you made it to the end of the video, here's a sneak peek of what you're gonna see in that episode.